How many times have you experienced na na-disconnect ka sa comms during a group ride dahil medyo lumalayo na yung distance mo sa kanila? Ito ang solusyon sa problema mo. The all-new Sena 60S Wave Intercom.
Hello. Battery level is high.
Let's talk a little bit about the Wave technology. How it works is nile-leverage niya yung phone data mo, giving you an unlimited range of connection. Meaning, hanggat meron kang internet, tuloy-tuloy lang yung usapan nyo kahit gaano pa kalayo. Astig, di ba? More on the features sa separate na video. Unboxing na tayo. So, inside the box, syempre, you have the unit itself. Tapos, meron 3 extra na faceplate, different color, which by the way, will be available din sa Moto Market Store. Para sa mga mitikuloso na gusto terno yung color ng Sena nila sa helmet nila. You have a clamp na attach na yung boom mic. You have a wired boom mic para medyo kung gusto mo nakalabas ng konti yung mic. And of course, a wired mic. You have a magnetic cover para to protect yung mount mo. You have 2 sticker pads para just in case gusto mong i-push medyo kalabas yung speakers para mas rinig mo siya. 4 mic sponges. Headphone jack just in case ayaw mong gamitin yung speakers mismo ng Sena. Meron kang jack na available. Of course, a USB-C charger. My favorite, meron ka ng 2 set of audio kit na 2nd generation Harman Kardon. So, kapag dalawa yung helmet mo, wala ka ng problema. Lipat-lipat Sena unit mo. Wala ka nang tatanggalin sa loob. So, for Sena products, drop by at any Moto Market, Motostyle, Moto World store, or shop online at motoworld.com.ph. My name is Zoy of Moto Republic. Ride safe!